morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are. This is a tutorial showing you how to use linearity art, new software I'm using, and how to make a vector graphic and how to import graphics into the software. I've started by pressing Command N on the keyboard to bring up the document. I've decided to select A4. As you can see, there's various sizes of different documents you can use, even Instagram posts and whatnot. This software is quite affordable compared to Adobe and also offers you the same sort of features but a little less clunky. So select the A4 document and go on Portrait, which is on the top middle bar, Create. Didn't work, which might be a bug in the program, so bear with it. And then I've imported the document, created the A4 document again. Now it's worked. It snaps to the screen, which is quite a nice feature. And I've gone to the document which I've saved on my desktop and dropped and dragged it in, which auto snaps into place, which is nice. And to save, you go to File, Export. I'm dropping another document in, but you go to File, Export, and you can pick the format just as in Illustrator or Photoshop. Export, as I said before, pick your dimensions, that looks okay with me. This format's JPEG, export, get the spelling wrong, but that's fine, as it goes. Yeah, dyslexia and that. But also when you name files, it's important to get the correct spelling, and not only that, to make sure you name them something you can remember, even if it isn't the correct spelling. And export the document. It comes with two options, two different file formats and sizes. I picked the first, named it. I think it should be RA instead of RIA. And then to auto trace, you can pick different settings. I've gone with illustration. Gone to auto trace. Selected the fill and changed it to a white, which didn't quite work. Went back to blue. So click on the document, Command Z to go backwards, and then you have an outline of the document. You can also press Command Z to go back to the white fill, and you can select the points to edit. And there you have it, a tutorial showing you how to use vectors within linear art, and how also to import graphics and save them.